90% of people publishing on Amazon KDP right now will never make real money. Not because KDP is dead, not because publishing stopped working, but because they're entering the game completely blind. They're choosing niches the wrong way, they're copying the wrong people, and worst of all, they're building books nobody actually needs. Everybody is screaming, find low-competition niches, publish journals, upload coloring books, make passive income. But almost nobody is teaching you how the real winners think. And that is why most people fail before they even start. So in this video, I'm going to show you why most KDP niches collapse, why most books never sell, why trending niches are destroying beginners, and what actually works in 2026. Not theory, not recycled YouTube advice, real positioning, real psychology, real strategy. And if you stay till the end, you'll understand why some people publish average books and still make thousands, while better publishers stay invisible forever. This video might completely change how you see KDP. But before we begin, if you want brutally honest publishing content nobody else is talking about, subscribe to Silent Publisher right now. Because on this channel, we don't sell dreams, we expose reality. The biggest lie in KDP. Everybody tells beginners the same thing. Just find a niche. But nobody explains what a niche actually is. A niche is not journals, coloring books, planners, low-content books. That's not a niche, that's a category. And this misunderstanding is destroying thousands of publishers every single day. Because when everybody enters the same category, you stop competing with books. Now you're competing with algorithms. And algorithms don't care about your hard work. They care about positioning. Let me ask you something. If 50,000 gratitude journals already exist on Amazon, why should anybody buy yours? Seriously, what makes yours different? The cover? The font? The title? Nothing. And that's the problem. Most publishers are not building products. They're cloning products. And cloned products die fast. But wait until you hear the second reason most niches fail. Because this one destroys even talented publishers. Reason number 1, saturated niches. Let's talk about saturation. This is where most beginners get trapped. They go on YouTube. Someone says, low competition niche, easy passive income, make $10,000 monthly. Then thousands of people rush into the same idea, and suddenly, the niche is dead. Look at journals, look at planners, look at composition notebooks, look at generic coloring books. The market is drowning in sameness. And here's what beginners don't understand. Saturation is not just about too many books. It's about too many undifferentiated books. That changes everything. Because some saturated markets still make millions. Fitness is saturated. Finance is saturated. Self-help is saturated. Yet people still enter those industries and dominate. Why? Positioning, not saturation. Here's the brutal truth. If your book looks like everybody else's book, Amazon has no reason to push it. Customers have no reason to click it. And your book becomes invisible. That's why so many KDP dashboards look like graveyards. Comment below right now. What niche are you currently publishing in? And be honest. I want to see how many people are trapped in overcrowded markets without realizing it. Reason number 2, no positioning. This is where most people get destroyed. Not because their book is bad, but because their positioning is weak. Listen carefully. You can have a better interior, better formatting, better research, better content, and still lose. Why? Because customers don't buy the best book. They buy the clearest solution. That's business, not just KDP, all business. Imagine 2 books. Book A, Daily Planner. Book B, Daily Planner for Overwhelmed ADHD Entrepreneurs. Which one feels more targeted? Which one feels more emotional? Which one feels more valuable? Exactly. Specificity sells. Generic dies. And most publishers are painfully generic. Same titles, same keywords, same Canva covers, same AI-generated interiors, same everything. Then they wonder why sales never come. You are not competing against books anymore. You are competing against attention. And attention rewards difference. Bad. Weight loss journal. Better. 90-day emotional eating recovery tracker for women. Bad. Budget planner. Better. Budget planner for broke college students trying to escape debt. Bad. Anxiety journal. Better. 5-minute anxiety reset journal for busy professionals. You see the difference? One is generic. The other feels personal. And personal products sell. But here's where things get dangerous. Because even if you fix saturation and positioning, most people still fail for one final reason. And this one has nothing to do with niches. Reason number 3. Wrong expectations. This is the silent killer. The publish and pray mindset. Most beginners think KDP works like magic. Upload a book, add keywords, wait for money. That's fantasy. Real publishers think differently. They think like marketers, brand builders, product strategists, not lottery players. You don't build income by uploading random books. You build income by solving repeated problems. And this is where the entire game changes. Because the people winning in 2026 are not just publishers anymore. They're problem solvers. Now let's talk about what actually works. Forget trending niches. Forget copying viral books. Forget chasing loopholes. Here's the shift. Instead of asking, what niche is trending? Ask, what problem are people desperate to solve? That question changes everything. Because problems create demand, not trends. Let's break it down. People will always pay to lose weight, reduce stress, save money, improve productivity, heal emotionally, organize their lives, improve relationships, grow spiritually, learn skills, escape pain. That means books connected to real human struggles have longevity. Now compare cute journal versus 30-day depression reflection journal. One is decoration, the other is emotional utility. Big difference. Here are practical tools smart publishers use in 2026. 1. Google Trends Google to track long-term demand, not hype, real demand. 2. Amazon Auto-Suggest. Amazon type problems into the search bar and study what people search repeatedly. That's market psychology. 3. Reddit. Reddit. One of the most underrated research platforms ever. People openly confess their frustrations there. That's free niche research. 4. AI tools. Use tools like OpenAI, Canva, Midjourney, not to spam books, but to improve speed, research, positioning, and presentation. AI should amplify strategy, not replace intelligence. Most people are asking, how many books should I publish? Wrong question. Ask, how memorable is my positioning? Because one well-positioned book can outperform 100 lazy uploads. And I've seen this happen repeatedly. Let me tell you something shocking. I've seen average books outperform better books just because they were positioned correctly. I've seen simple covers beat beautiful covers. I've seen shorter books outsell massive books. Why? Clarity, targeting, emotional connection. The market rewards relevance, not effort. And that truth hurts a lot of people because effort feels fair. But markets are not emotional. Markets respond to value perception. Now here's the deeper truth nobody talks about. The people making real money in publishing are not just publishing more books. They are positioning them better and distributing them smarter. This is where beginners stay trapped. They think KDP alone is the business. No, KDP is one distribution channel. The smart publishers are expanding. Audiobooks, digital products, email lists, multiple marketplaces, personal brands, communities, content ecosystems. They understand something powerful. Attention is the real currency, not books. And when you build attention, every product becomes easier to sell. That's why building a platform matters. That's why content matters. That's why channels like Silent Publisher matter, because audience multiplies opportunity. Let me be brutally honest with you. Most people watching KDP videos right now will quit within 12 months. Not because they're stupid, but because they entered with fantasy expectations. They thought, easy money, passive income, upload and relax. Meanwhile, the people actually winning are studying psychology, branding, positioning, marketing, customer behavior. That's the real game. But here's the good news. You do not need thousands of books. You do not need expensive software. You do not need to copy everybody else. You just need to think differently. Because once you understand positioning, you stop chasing saturated niches and start creating unfair advantages. That's when publishing becomes powerful. And trust me, the next 2 years on KDP will eliminate lazy publishers completely. AI spam is exploding, generic books are flooding the market, and Amazon's ecosystem is evolving fast. But that's actually good news, because the more generic the market becomes, the more valuable smart positioning becomes, which means thoughtful publishers will dominate harder than ever. If this video changed how you think about KDP, subscribe to Silent Publisher right now. Because this channel is not about fake motivation. It's about building real publishing intelligence. And if you want deeper strategies, drop a comment below. I'll show you what to do instead. Also, join the Silent Publisher Telegram community for more advanced online income tips, publishing strategies, and real conversations about making money online. And if you want my direct help with your publishing journey, reach out to me on X, Twitter, Silent Publisher. Remember this, the people winning in 2026 are not the people publishing the most books. They are the people who understand the market the best. See you in the next video.